Tara, gawa tayo ng bank account using GCash. Click natin ng GSave. And then, i-click naman natin ang BPI. Okay. And then, click natin yung Open Savings Account. Then, proceed using my GCash profile. Ayan, and then, i-click natin ang Agree. And then, scroll down pababa. And then, pagkatapos pababa, click mo yung back. And then, confirm. Ayan, so pilaban po natin ang ating information dito sa ating BPI savings account. And then, after mo mapilapan lahat, click mo lang yung submit. And then, i-click mo lang ang okay. Ayan, okay na. Meron ka ng open savings account sa inyong GCash. Okay, so don't forget to follow, like, and share this video for more tips. Thank you!